When it comes to taking care of your boat, anything worth doing is worth doing bright. Because when you put in the effort, your boat shouldn't just look good, it should outshine all the others. That's why Shurhold keeps you on top of your game when you're on the water. With products that don't only clean, polish, and protect, they turn heads and make waves. Because people can't help but notice a boat with a Shurhold shine. With Shurhold on board, you change the channel when you cruise through it. You get compliments without fishing for them. And you become a sight to see while you sightsee. Shurhold's premium products keep your boat bright and shipshape. So don't just cruise by. Go forth with a commanding presence. Don't be dull. Be a bright spot on the water. And don't just go boating. Go showboating with Shurhold.